Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best adjustable weight benches that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PASYOU Adjustable Foldable Full Body Workout Weight Bench. Got a gym at home? Then this adjustable weight bench by PASYOU could not be a better bargain then. It is designed with 7 back positions to meet all your needs whenever you are performing a workout. It allows you to exercise a number of the lower and upper body to build and maintain your muscles. In addition to that, this weight bench is made from heavy-duty steel and has a unique triangle structure making it durable and sturdy. It has 500 pounds weight capacity and you need not worry about stability. With its high-density foam padding, this weight bench is going to minimize muscle fatigue when you are doing a full-body workout. Assembling this item is very easy, and all the installation tools are included. Finally, this unit is foldable for easy and quick storage and transportation. Moving on at number 4, we have the RitFit Foldable, Adjustable Utility Bench for strength training and weightlifting. This multi-functional utility bench will enable you to perform various heavy-duty workouts such as weight training, twists, bench press, sit-ups, and more. The back and seat pads can be readjusted into various positions with 4 seat position adjustment and 5 back position adjustment. Moreover, the bench is made of the durable steel frame for durability and has contoured foam roller pads that offer maximum comfort when performing a workout. This item has a load capacity of up to 510 pounds. This utility bench requires minimal assembly, and it can be folded to store in a closet or to stand on a wall. In addition to that, it will allow various strength training exercises on the chest, legs, arms, and core. It is shaped in a way that it permits maximum mobility whenever you are performing a workout. At number 3, we have the BARWING Adjustable Bench 800 Pounds Folding Weight Bench. BARWING Adjustable Weight Bench is a compact and durable, high-performance utility bench for working abdominal muscles, shoulders, chest, and the back. It is ideal for a different size, and you can easily adjust to your preferred workout and position. Ideally, this weight bench has commercial quality steel construction, and it has a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds. Moreover, it has a unique triangular support structure that ensures stability. This weight bench comes fully assembled to eliminate time-consuming assembly steps. You just need to take out on the box and start using it right away. When it is not in use, this weight bench is foldable for storage. Also, there are extra wheels and handles for you to move it easily to your home gym. Above all, the product is covered with a 30-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Power Guidance Adjustable Foldable Weight Bench for Home Gym. The Power Guidance Weight Bench is another excellent product that comes with all the necessary features. It is designed with 4 seat positions and 5 back positions to meet your full-body workout needs. Ideally, this foldable workout bench is made from high-strength steel and can withstand weight up to 700 pounds. Capacity. Other than that, it has a high-density foam padding to secure your body firmly while minimizing fatigue. This bench can be used to target multiple groups such as quads, biceps, hamstrings, abdominals, and triceps. It is also great for the dumbbell exercise. Its compact and space-saving design makes it fit inside your home, thus taking up less space in your home gym. And finally at number 1, we have the Merax Adjustable 6-Position Incline-Decline Weight Bench with foam padding for strength training. If you need a premium-grade bench for a home gym, then this weight bench by Merax is a great choice. It features 6-position adjustable backrest and can easily be adjusted between declines, incline, and flat for precise positioning during bench press training. Moreover, it has 4-seat angle adjustment for bench press and dumbbell exercises. This weight bench is made of powder-coated steel frames for reliable performance even after day workout. Subsequently, the seat and back have ultra-thick soft padding, making it comfortable to use. Moreover, the padding will reduce discomfort and fatigue after long-time bench workout and weightlifting. This unit has a built-in handle for easy transportation. To conclude, this can withstand 600 pounds. Capacity. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.